Hello everybody, today we are going to work on this tutorial. As you can see here in this pattern, I start to use some edge, but it's up to you. You can do it without any edge or use any kind of ribs you like, but for the pattern you need to have multiple of 10 plus 2 plus 1. Let's get started. For row 1, what we have to do, we take the first one as the edge, then knit the first stitch. The next one we are going to pull and skip one, but make sure the yarn, it has to be in front side. Again we pull one, slip stitch, pull one, slip stitch, pull one, slip stitch, and pull one. As you can see here, I have to have, if you look at this yarn here, it has to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to knit one stitch and repeat the pattern by knit one, slip stitch, knit one, slip stitch, knit one, slip stitch, and repeat. Let's see how many we have. We have only 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. As you can see, the last stitch I have only one left. I'm going to knit, and this one as a edge. Row 2 or any other even rows, you are going to pull all stitches. Like that. For row 3, we are going to start, take the first one, knit the first stitch, we are going to knit the second one, then we are going to pull stitch, then a slip stitch, pull one, slip stitch, pull one, slip stitch. As you can see here, just let's pull one. As you can see here, the loops here, it should be 3. We start with 4, now we have 3. It means that the pattern is going to reduce like this. Now it's time to knit one stitch here, the one we already had from the beginning also we knit, and the third one we knit. In row 3 we are going to have in the beginning 2 stitches, knit, repeat the pattern. When it comes in the middle we have 3 stitches. Let's get started again by pull one, slip stitch, pull one, slip stitch, pull one, and slip stitch. As you can see here, the loops is 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to knit these 2 like the one the beginning, like that, and then edge stitch. I'm going to pull all the stitches for row 3 and 4, and I'll be back. Row 5, what we have to do, we are going to this time knit 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. When it comes to the pattern, now it's time to have only 2 loops. What we have to do, we are going to pull 1 slip stitch, pull 1 slip stitch, then pull 1. As you can see here, now I have only 2 loops. Now we are in the middle. As you can see here, this is the one I start from the beginning. As you can see here, is now is in the middle. What I have to do, I'm going to knit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. Let's repeat here by pull 1 slip stitch, pull 1 slip stitch, and like the row in the beginning of the row, I have 3 left. We are going to just knit these 3 like that. Row 7, we are going to, this time we are going to knit 4 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see here, we are going to, now it's time to make 1 loops by pull 1, 1 slip stitch, and pull 1. When it comes into the middle, we are going to knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 stitches. Then we are going to pull 1 slip stitch, pull 1. As you can see here, again I have only 4 left. We are going to knit these all 4. Row 8, we are going to pull all the stitches, and I'll be back. Now we are in row 9. As you can see here in this pattern, if we start from here to make the pattern like this, for the next pattern we are going to change the position. How can we do that? It's going to come in row 9, like what I'm doing now, by take the first one as the edge. When it comes to the next stitch, we are going to pull and then a slip stitch, pull and then a slip stitch, and then pull 1. As you can see here, you are going to have 3 loops. When it comes to one exactly in the middle, you are going to knit 1. Let's do it again. Now we are in the middle. What we have to do, we are going to start by pull 1 slip stitch, pull 1 slip, pull 1 slip, pull 1 slip, and pull 1. As you can see here, now again I have 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's time to knit 1 stitch. For the last one, we are going to pull, slip, pull, slip, and then knit. As you can see here, for the last one, I'm going to have only 2 loops. Row 11, we are going to take the first one, then we do the slip stitch, then pull, slip stitch and pull. This is just a little bit difference because we are going to repeat like row 9. When it comes to that part, we are going to knit 3 stitches. It's gonna be repeat like this. Now we are in the middle again. We are going to pull, slip stitch, pull, slip stitch, pull, slip stitch, then pull. As you can see here, for row 9 I had 9 loops. Now I have only 3. When it comes here again in the middle, we are going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. As I told you, it should be going to repeat like this. So I'm going to pull 1, slip stitch, pull 1, a slip stitch, and then the last one. As you can see here again, I have 2 loops. I'm going to knit row 12 and I'll be back. Row 13, we are going to take the first one, then pull the second one, a slip stitch and pull the second one. As you can see here now, from 2, 2 and 1. When it comes in the middle like that, it's time to knit 5. I knit 5 stitches, then pull, yarn over, pull, slip stitch and pull a stitch. As you can see here, now I have 2 loops. Again here in the middle I knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the next 3 I'm going to pull 1, slip stitch, pull 1 and the one as a edge. Row 15, what we have to do, we take the first one and then just pull the next stitch, then a slip stitch. When it comes to the middle, now we are going to knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Again, in the middle of the pattern, pull, yarn over and pull. As you can see here, 4, 3, 2 and just now I have only 1, like that. Then knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I pull 1, slip stitch and pull 1, like that. I'm going to knit row 16 and I'll be back. As you can see here, the pattern is going to be like that. After you repeat 1 row to row 16, as you can see, the pattern is now changed. You are going to repeat row 1 to row 16 because now is the time to start like row 1. If you repeat these 16 rows after knitting, the pattern should look like that. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.